Port forwarding is a simple function of the advanced firewall that can also make use of the hosts and groups framework. In this example, we will forward inbound TCP and UDP requests on port 88 to the Crystal Eye LAN port 81 using simple IP-based addressing. The second example will do the same, but will make use of hosts and groups to manage target addresses. First, we test connectivity before creating the new rule to confirm that requests are not being forwarded from port 88 to port 81. This is done by opening the WAN IP address on port 88 in your web browser. You should get a response similar to the one you see here if forwarding is not enabled. With confirmation that the Crystal Eye user interface is not accessible via port 88, we can now navigate to the Application Rules tab via Security Configuration, Advanced Firewall. To add a port forwarding rule, click Add. Now fill in the description protocol from service port to IP address and to service port. Note that the port field will show as soon as you select TCP UDP, TCP or UDP values for protocol. Click Add to commit the change and return to the Application Rules list. With the rules set, you should now be able to access the WAN interface on port 88 and get access to the user interface. Advanced settings for the application rules is accessible from the Advanced tab from the Edit button. From the advanced settings, you can specify source zones, networks, objects, addresses, and service and ports, as well as the ability to enable rule activity logging and even set a schedule. To specify a particular host or host group, you can simply refer to objects or groups of objects that you have already defined in the Hosts and Groups application. In this screenshot, the object CELAN1 has already been defined with the IP address of 10.10.1.1. Managing rules can be done via the Application Rules list, and you have the Edit, Delete, and Enable/Disable controls.